the world. I mean, you make up your mind. Then Father Simon, get back in yonder while I'm talking, boy. What's wrong with you? After you ain't made up your mind yet, you need to get on out of here. I don't need no non-believers around here. Now get.
A new day has dawned.
Oh man, I need to see it. Big door behind me.
There's no force on this planet that'll keep me from speaking the truth.
People that don't want to get ready for what's coming.
They'll have to carry me out feet first in a coffin before I'll shut up about the truth here.
Let us find out today who is the real power.
Get out of here! Do you not listen to me? Drop the camera, man. I don't need this place on the camera.
All right, I'm cutting it off.
What's wrong with you? Turn it off.
Cut it off.
Did you turn it off?
I cut it off.
Are you sure?
Yeah, see the light.
You better dang well turn it off now.
That light means it's...
You have no idea what's in this building house. You gotta keep in mind, we got different things here. For 12 gauge and 20 gauge shotguns, just for hunting. We got doggone things right here that would bring an elephant down. But the one thing about it, we also got the pistols. And pistols ain't good for game. It ain't good but for one thing. And that's taking other people's things.